If you want to replace the band of your Garmin Forerunner 55, well, take it upside down and you will see there is those two pins. So what you need to do is to take the watch, and if you have nails, that's better. But what you want to do is to take your nails just over the pins and press it and pry it a little bit so you can take it out, just like that. And then, well, you just take it out. So, well, it's out. This top one is the very same thing. You use your nails, press on the pins, and take it out. Now, when you want to put your new bands in, you see just right here, there is that little hole. That pins go into the hole, just like that. And then you do the same operation in reverse. So again, you press the pins to take it in. Press the pins and it's now inside. If it doesn't clip, if you don't feel it clip, just move it until it clip. And as you can see, it's now very solid. So if you're shopping for new bands, you can purchase them from the link into the description. So this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. If yes, please smash the like button. If you are planning to buy this watch, you can see my link in the description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can find me back easily next time you need help. If you want to see my other tutorial about this watch, you can see my playlist just right here. And you can also find me on my main channel just right there. Thank you for watching. Take care and see ya.